Alright, class. Today we're going to explore a fascinating concept in biology, called the levels of organization. This concept helps us understand how living organisms are structured and how they function. Let's dive into it step by step. Subatomic and atomic level. Everything around us is made up of matter, and matter is composed of elements. Elements consist of tiny particles called atoms. There are 92 naturally occurring elements, and 16 of them are important for living organisms. These 16 elements are known as bioelements. Interestingly, only 6 of these bioelements, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus, make up a whopping 99% of an organism's total mass. Molecular level. Bioelements combine through various chemical bonds, ionic or covalent, to form molecules or biomolecules. Organisms are composed of a vast number of different types of biomolecules. Biomolecules can be classified into micromolecules, are with low molecular weight, e.g., glucose, water, etc., and macromolecules, are with high molecular weights, e.g., starch, proteins, lipids, etc. Organelle and cell level. Biomolecules come together in specific ways to form cellular structures called organelles. When organelles assemble, they create the fundamental units of life known as cells. Each type of organelle has a specific function. For instance, mitochondria are specialized for cellular respiration, and ribosomes are for protein synthesis. Some organisms consist of a single cell, prokaryotes and some protists, while others, like animals, plants, and fungi, are made up of trillions of cells. Tissue level. In multicellular organisms, similar cells with the same functions group together to form tissues. The tissue is defined as a collection of similar cells specialized to perform a common function. There are various types of tissues in both plants: epidermal tissue, ground tissue, and animals, e.g., nervous tissue, muscular tissue. Organ and organ system level. Multiple types of tissues with related functions come together to form organs. Organs have specific functions, and these functions are the result of the coordinated efforts of their constituent tissues. Organ systems, on the other hand, are composed of different organs working together to perform complex functions. For example, the digestive system comprises organs like the oral cavity, stomach, and small intestine, all working together to digest food. Individual level. At this level, different organs and organ systems are organized within an individual organism. The functions, processes, and activities of these organs and organ systems are coordinated to sustain life. Population level. Biologists also study biology at the population level, where they observe interactions among individuals of the same species living in the same habitat. A population is defined as a group of organisms of the same species located in the same place and time. For example, think about the human population in Pakistan in the year 2010. It's composed of millions of individuals, each made up of trillions of cells, all functioning together in a highly organized manner to sustain life. This concept of levels of organization helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of life on Earth. A species is defined as a group of organisms capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. Habitat means the area of the environment in which organism lives,